Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio class from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. Central bank policy expectation और volatility in financial markets are deeply interlinked. क्योंकि अभी financial markets are pricing in very aggressive central bank tightening across the board because of persistently higher inflation. उसके कारण volatility in equity, commodity and bond market has gone up significantly. बट सरप्राइजिंगली इसका आज करेंसी मार्केट पे अभी तक तो नहीं है, स्पेशली करेंसीज लाइक इंडियन रुपी, चाइनीज युआन एक्सेट्रा, जहाँ पे वॉलेटिलिटी इज स्टिल वेरी लो. बट स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स आर गैदरिंग. वो कब इसका इम्पैक्ट आएगा, वी हैव टू वेट एंड सी, बट वी हैव टू बी अवेयर दैट स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स आर गैदरिंग. जैसे इंडियन रुपी के लिए कंसिस्टेंट और परसिस्टेंट एफपीआई आउटफ्लोज इज अ बिग नेगेटिव. 7.5-year high in the oil prices and rising, and sirf oil nahi, every other commodity, because of the whole talk that there is a tightness across the board, is not good for inflation, and it's not good for a country like India, which is a largely a commodity consumer, especially in oil. But uska direct impact, as I said, has not yet come on the rupee. The rupee is still very stable because of certain kind of other flows into the currency. Expectation hai ki LIC ka IPO will come soon. That is also creating a positive impact. But when this flare up will happen, we have to again wait and see. तो अभी फिलहाल डॉलर रुपी में एक हल्का सा डाउनवर्ड ड्रिफ्ट तो है, बट कोई मोमेंटम है नहीं, बिकॉज एज आई सेड देयर आर मल्टीपल नेगेटिव्स विच आर प्रिवेंटिंग द इंडियन रुपी फॉर सिग्निफिकेंटली अप्रिशिएटिंग. बट बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टेन फैक्टर्स वो डिप्रिशिएट भी नहीं कर रहा है. तो what we are now having is basically a range bound price with a very slight downward drift. तो ये सिचुएशन में फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडर के लिए टू मेक मनी बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. इंट्राडे में ही मे गेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू प्ले फॉर 10-15 पैसा, बट ही कांट टेक अ लार्ज पोजीशन because there is no momentum in the market. But ये market condition is perfect for option seller. So you can employ various kind of strategies as an option seller, but considering the fact that there are multiple risks on the horizon जो कभी भी बड़ा gap create कर सकता है, it's our advice that one should employ hedge strategies and not unhedged strategies. What are hedge strategies? For example, instead of selling a strangle, आप उसको आयरन कंडोर में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. आयरन कंडोर में क्या होता है कि यू सेल a strangle and then you buy even far out of money call and put to hedge the unlimited risk. If you are selling straddle, you convert that into a hedge strategy by buying a strangle. So you sell a straddle, you buy a strangle, it becomes an iron fly. So it is better to do iron flies or iron condors than doing unlimited risks like strangles and straddles, because range bound hai, but because of the risk एक sudden gap का chance भी है. So if such a gap happens any week, you are not exposed to unlimited loss. So that is most important to keep that in mind. अगर futures से आपको trade करना है, it is better to stick to intraday trades, जहाँ पे 75 के आसपास on the spot is now becoming the upper cap. 75.05 और 74.40 के आसपास is now the support. So 74.40 से 75 का range on the spot. Futures करीब 10-12 पैसा प्रीमियम में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं to the spot. So you can accordingly decide the futures का range. So 74.40 to 75 is now the range on the spot. So intraday में you can do futures. You can look to sell futures on rise closer to 75 with a stop loss above 75.10 on a daily closing basis. International currencies में GBP INR can see more upside momentum, so buy on dips can be preferred. Euro में pullback इसलिए हुआ है कि वहाँ पे because of expectation of ECB tightening policy, which is supposed to be euro positive, but credit market is showing stress. तो उसका एक नेगेटिव स्पिल ओवर यूरो में आए, बट कंपेयर टू द यूरो एंड द जीबीपी वी वुड स्टिल प्रेफर GBP INR to do the buy on dips than the Euro INR as of now. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.